Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at some of the free AI website builders. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Starting off with our first AI website builder, CreateWebsite.io. CreateWebsite.io is a user-friendly platform that harnesses AI technology to simplify website creation. Now its role is to allow users to design, customize and launch websites without the need for coding skills. Now with the core web vitals, the platform emphasizes in optimizing its core web vitals. This ensures fast load times as well as enhanced SEO rankings. Now with content generation, CreateWebsite.io offers an AI content generator to help users create engaging website content effortlessly. Now as well as this, users can also provide a description of their desired website, and that means the AI code designer will assist in layout and design decisions. So now that we've got an overview of what CreateWebsite.io is, let's get started with the website creation. So this is the startup menu or the dashboard for CreateWebsite.io. Now you can simply log in or just click on the Let's Create Website. Now when you do click on this, of course, it'll ask you to go ahead and log in, which we'll do now. So once you've logged in, you've got a couple of different options here. So it'll ask you to create a new project. So it'll ask for the name of the project. So we'll just say ProfileTree. And then it'll give us a description. So let's just say that ProfileTree is a marketing agency. Location is completely optional, but we'll just write down Northern Ireland. Contact email address, completely optional as well, and the contact phone number. So we'll go ahead and create that project now. So it doesn't take too long. So it'll just ask us to hold on while we're setting up the website. So it may take a couple of minutes, so I'll get back to you when it is completed. So the process didn't actually take too long, only took maybe more than a couple of seconds or just under a minute. So it's processing our homepage, our services page, contact page, as well as the About Us page. So you can see how fast that has created our website for us. We only had to do a couple of clicks in terms of giving some information about our website or showing the website name as well as a description of what this website is. So ProfileTree is a marketing agency. So here we have our home. We've got our services as mentioned, contact and About Us. You can see how the page is. It's fairly big for an AI website. So you can see how that's all been built up very fast. And we'll check out the About Us page. So the only thing to really do is go ahead and jump into the website. So what's great about this is everything is pretty much just drag and drop. So you can go ahead and change things around. You can add more sections, or as well as this, you can edit the content. So in order to edit the content, go ahead and select the section of choice. Then you'll get a pop-up on the left side. So it'll just say, welcome to ProfileTree. It'll ask you for your subtitle. You've got your CTA buttons, which you can adjust like so. Or if you want to add more buttons, you can do so as well. And you also have the options to delete buttons. You can go ahead and add a featured image of your choice as well. Now they make it very easy for you to either search one up, upload, or either link a URL. So all of these are pretty handy to have on a website builder. Of course, with each section, once you're happy enough with how it's laid out, you can go ahead and choose the theme colors, as well as customize the header, as well as the footer. This is where you can change your name address, quick links, social links, as well as the copyright text. Now on top of this, you also have SEO. So what we currently have is the page title, as well as a page meta description. So that'll help us rank from any of the search engines like Google, Microsoft Edge, Bing. So if we just go back off configuration, if we're unhappy with the overall content of the website, what we can do is regenerate the content with AI. So with this, we can actually describe the content that we want to generate in this section. So provide a hero section with sliders. So we'll go ahead and regenerate. So you can see how useful it is for people with no technical skills. It's fairly simple. Just ask what it wants, or ask it what you want to do, and then you'll get a provided area. So it looks like we've got our featured image here, as well as our buttons and our hero section title and sub description. And we can also change the overall layout. You can see that there's a couple of options here. I quite like this, so I'll go ahead and keep that. You can also manage sections or reorder sections, like so. So everything is pretty much just drag. So if all of the changes are satisfactory and you're happy enough with it, go ahead and click on save. So in a mere few seconds or even minutes, you've already got a fully built website. Now, you do get that option, of course, to add all of your content in. So I would recommend to use your own images in order to make it your own. And once you've done so, you can go ahead and publish this website. When you are publishing this website, of course, you will need a domain name as well as a subscription plan. With the subscription plan, you do have to pay $2.99 per month. That means you can connect a custom domain, create unlimited pages, you've got unlimited bandwidth as well, and a free SSL certificate, which is great to have when you are starting a website. So overall, very easy and simple to use first website builder. So our next website builder AI is CodeDesign.ai. CodeDesign.ai is an AI-powered website builder that aims to streamline website design and development. This platform uses AI to assist in the design phase, making design recommendations and layout suggestions. Now with this, users can customize their websites, choosing templates and design elements that suit their preferences. Now in terms of time efficiency, CodeDesign AI aims to reduce the time and effort required to create professional looking websites. The platform is designed to be accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. So here we have it, CodeDesign.ai. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing plans first. So of course, with each of the website builders that we've viewed so far, some sort of payment will be required. However, we can of course trial out these website builders for free. So with one website, it is £77 or around the $80 mark. Now this is a one-time payment, and that means you have access forever. So that is pretty much the website license. So that's pretty good. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. It's pretty much a one-time payment, as you can see. Now that occurs for 3 websites as well as 10 websites. So £157 and £392. So roughly $160 and around $400. So now that we've got an overview on what that is, what exactly is included in this lifetime deal? So you've got hosting and domain. So with CodeDesign, you've got one-click hosting, and that'll ensure that your website is swift and always available. So that's a pretty cool thing to have. You've got AI Magic, as well as what we're here for, which is the AI Website Builder. You can also export some code in. You've got smart components and logic, and you can also form a database. So you've got forms and database, sorry. So now that we've had a look at that, let's go ahead and generate our website. So with this, you will have a starting process like you will with any other website. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and select Get Started for Free. So we will need to sign up. So we'll go ahead and do that now, and then we'll sign in with Google. And then I'll just go ahead and go through this now. Now you'll not be able to see this, but I'm just going through the process. Okay. So this is pretty much the area where we're able to prompt an idea. So again, just like the previous website builder, which is Mixo AI or Mixo, I can go ahead and try an example if I wanted to. So they've got a couple there. So I'm a teacher from Canada and I want to create a website for my online course. So if we are to do one, we are a marketing agency that wants to create a website. So something like that. Or an informational website. So generate website. So that'll generate the template. Now, depending how long this takes, probably about, I would say, a minute or 2 minutes. So it usually just depends what you decide to have for the website or how much detail you put in for the description. But you can see with this AI website builder, I don't have to have any technical expertise at all. This is no coding required. And again, very, very good for anyone who's wanting to start off with building websites, or someone who's just not technical with website building. So we'll wait on this. I'll go ahead and skip ahead, and I'll get back to you guys when the website is created. So it took a couple of minutes there for it to fully load, but you can see how well laid out this website is. So here we have a hero section, which we can see on the right side. So we'll just do this. I can go ahead and change the overall name. So since it's Ace Marketing, I'm just going to do ProfileTree. We've got the colors bang on there, so we're happy enough. So we'll go ahead and click off that. So we've got ProfileTree, and what I can do as well is I can change up some of the fonts. So if I'm not too happy with that font, I can change that to Roboto or Roboto. But I do need to save and publish this first. So we'll go ahead and we'll just select just save. Okay. So again, we'll go ahead and see if we can get this changed. Go ahead and save and publish. So once you've saved and published, of course, you'll get this splash screen. So we'll just wait for this to go through. And now, once we've done that, we'll go back to the ProfileTree logo. And we'll select the font, Roboto. And as you can see, it's changed the text. Now, this particular website builder or AI website builder, I would say is a lot better from the ones that we've seen so far. It's more the fact that it is a drag and drop. So if you wanted to place something elsewhere, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to revert back changes, then you could just click the undo button just above. You can add elements as well. So it works pretty much the same way as it would with Elementor. Ideally, you've got sections, you've got columns, divs, containers, even background images. You can add 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. So for those who have worked with Elementor, it is fairly similar to what it is. Now I can go ahead and drag and drop that into a section if I wanted to. You can see now that I've got 4 columns within this section. If I wanted to revert back, I can go ahead and do so. So we'll just do that now, like so. Now if I have a look, you have functions, you've got properties as well. You can anchor parts to areas as well. So with this area, I can go ahead and anchor that. So depending if, on the name, of course, container, but I would have to have a specific name for it. So there's colors you can change, you can border out things, and overall what it's generated for me is a very nice looking website. So that's all built from AI. I didn't have to touch anything. All I did was write a couple of words stating the fact that we're a business within content marketing and we want a website built. So that's what it's provided for us. All we need to do is, if we want to make a couple of changes, we can go ahead and do so. So like I've shown you, we can change the fonts to Roboto. All you need to do really is just to save the file. But overall, if you are happy enough with the site, all you need to do is go ahead and click publish and publish that to the code design app. Or if you want to, you can add a domain. Or what's pretty cool is you can also add this to a WordPress site. So a lot of things you can do with code design AI. I would say that this particular website builder is a lot more, or does have a lot more to offer in terms of the other two that we've viewed. It is a drag and drop website builder, which is great to see. You've even got presets as well. You've got layers to help you organize. So with this particular area, I can have a look and see the main container has text, and you can see that it actually brings it out. So very organized, very well made. You've even got designs here as well. So I can add parts to the hero section if I wanted to. You can see some of the designs made. So if I drag and drop this one, you see that pushes that away, and I've got a new builder now, so I can delete parts off it as well. Let's just have a look at the design. So that's the overall design on how that looks with this hero section. It even shows me more. So for being a trial-free website builder, I would say that this is definitely one of the top tiers. So our next AI website builder is Mixo AI. Mixo AI focuses on AI-powered design assistance, content generation, personalization, and SEO optimization. Now, it streamlines the website creation process. With design assistance, Mixo AI provides design recommendations, layout suggestions, and even generates design mockups based on users' preferences. It does have content generation as well, so the platform includes an AI-driven content generator to automate the creation of website text and content. And as well as this, it does have personalization, so users can extensively customize their websites, including templates, colors, fonts, and several more. And as well as this, like createwebsite.io, it does have SEO optimization. Mixo AI places a strong emphasis on SEO, automatically optimizing website content for better search engine visibility. So this is the initial dashboard that you'll get with Mixo. It'll ask you to either start for free or you can go ahead and log in. Now we'll take a look at the pricing plans first. So this is what's included with the paid plan. So for a basic site, you're paying $9 per month, a growth site of $19 per month, or a premium site of $39 per month. Now with this, you do have a couple of different options in terms of features. So this one's a single page website. So with a single page website, that means that it's primarily focusing on a landing page. That's essentially what it is. So you'll have everything there in terms of your information about your website. or the business that you have. You either have some contact information as well, a little bit about that company, and just a little bit of everything. If you're going to go for different pages, so say you have a contact page, a services page, an about us page, then you're best to go for a growth site. Now with this you get a 5-page website. You also get custom domain, site hosting, which is included. You've got SSL certificate included, and with this you do have the removal of the Mixo branding. So it seems like each of the plans have a removal of the Mixo branding, which is good to see. Now in terms of this, you've got a premium site, so this is one with an established business that requires more of a comprehensive website, as it states. This one is about 50 pages. You also get a custom domain. You've got site hosting included. The only difference is between all three of these is the pages, as well as the premium site having priority AI processing. So that's one to consider if you are a business looking for several different pages. Now, the reason why you would have several pages to begin with, it's more to do with SEO. So of course, the more pages, the better. That means you'll attract more visitors to the site. That of course depends if you own a business and are needing that sort of ranking for any of the search engines. But anyway, now that we've had a look at the pricing plans, we'll go ahead and go back and take a look at the editor itself. So go ahead and select Get Started for free. It'll ask you what your startup idea is. Now, of course, if you're unsure on what your startup idea is, you can go ahead and try one of the examples. So, online counseling website for families, technology newsletter that explains the latest trends, or a travel agent for unique adventures. We'll go ahead and go with this one. So, this is where we can set our goals. We can collect emails, get contacted, schedule appointments, or link to site. So what we'll do is we'll collect emails, or we can go for get connected. So what we'll do is we'll probably just go for get connected, and we'll go ahead and generate. Once you've done the clicking, that pretty much is it. It'll go ahead and write the content for you, generate the entire website. So while we're waiting on this, I'll go ahead and skip forward. So it doesn't really take that long. Once it's completed the website, you can see how well it's structured the entire website. Now, this one's called Adventure Wanderlust. So we can customize the brand. So if we wanted to change the site name, it'll change the rest of them. So if we wanted to do ProfileTree, you could see ProfileTree, discover and book your next unique adventure. See if we could just change this one. So we can rewrite or edit the text, as you can see. But in order to do this, we need to save and continue. So we'll go ahead and sign in with our account. So once you are logged in, this is when we can edit the content. So you can edit the content. We'll just save the site for now. Okay. Just continue with the free plan. Okay, so this is what the dashboard will look like for Mixo. So from here, you can go ahead and customize the hero section. Everything is just all on the left side. You don't need to worry about changing things on the right side. So you've got the title, you've got the subtitle, you've got an image. So you can choose an image from Unsplash. You can choose one from YouTube or Vimeo, depending if you have a video to showcase. You can see that we have a little bit of a testimonial as well. So in order to fix that or change it, you can see that if you open up a testimonial, you can change this about. So just say ProfileTree review, and like so, you're able to change the name. we can also choose to remove. So we'll just show that section. And then we've got FAQs just below. So you can see how you're able to change the different testimonials. You've got features here as well. So everything is pretty much just click and change, which is something that'll be easy for beginners, especially if you're not too technical with website building. Then this would be an ideal site to do one. So again, once you are happy with the site, you've made your changes, all you would need to do now is go ahead and select publish. So it'll do its thing. And once that's published, that is pretty much you. Now, again, you will need a subscription in order to push this fully live. And that's when SEO will occur as well. Now, as I've stated, Mixo AI places a strong emphasis on SEO. It will automatically optimize website content, which is good for search engine visibility. So there you are. That is pretty much the site. You can click on the link. That'll redirect you to show you the website. So within about 5 or 7 minutes, we've already created a website. So it's very simple, very easy. This is great as well if maybe you want to showcase a portfolio for yourself. So if you're pretty big on social media, you want to maybe showcase a little bit about what you do, then you can create a website through here. So again, it's free if you have the link. If not, if you want to promote it and have it ranking, then you will have to pay for a subscription. But that's Mixo, and again, another recommended website builder. But there you have it, guys. That is some of the free AI website builders available to date. Now, if you enjoyed the video, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.